Schuberth C4. This is the MotoRadds mount. It's how it mounts basically. I did have to put two little bits of double-sided tape, or the supplied double-sided tape down there. Fortunately, I had a spare piece that came with the GoPro accessory kit, so I just placed that on there. But yeah, it seems to work okay. I've done some long-term rides and a few tests, and it doesn't seem to be detaching in any way. There's a slight bit of air gap there and there, just there, but it hasn't moved, it hasn't changed. It's been in excess of the legal speed limits in the UK, with no problems whatsoever. The mount is very stable, it's not intrusive, it's not in your eye line. I don't know if I can show that or not. Let me just see if I can sort of poke this camera in there. I don't know whether that's giving you any indication or not. I have got some video of it in operation. But yeah, it fits quite snug. It's very easy to remove, sort of things. No problem at all with that. It works quite well. Better than the homemade stuff. Let's just lift the catch. Okay, so let's just lift him up. Yeah, so I'm quite impressed with it. Long-term test, no problem at all. It's very rigid, mounts well. No problem with wind noise or anything. And this is the case I bought, so I can put the microphone conversion kit into there as well if I need to. But yeah, so if you're looking for the MotoRadds mount for your Schuberth, this is the C4. It's not the Pro version, I don't think. It fits quite well, really. A little bit, as I say, air gaps, but other than that, works quite well.